Okay, go ahead, Joshua. Do you want to present?
Sure.
Okay. hmm You're trying to connect the database right now, right?
Yes, and it's popping up with time at expired and premium only. So I'm not
Mm,
sure what I'm missing.
can you try again? Hmm, this is different. I mean, can you close the this this tab and try to create the connection again? Let me see if something is different. Okay, put a name.
Uh,
Okay, now this is the endpoint. Um, now this leave this empty.
oh, that.
Now select this. Hit connect.
Oh,
Timeout expired. This message means that you cannot reach the database. Um, can you click here the security group?
sure.
Okay. Can you maximize please the this window? Okay, now enter to the inside of the security group right now. Can you click here edit inbound rules right now? Hmm. Can you delete this one, the first one?
This right here.
Yeah. Okay, and can you change this type by just a custom TCP? Okay, delete all. I think that was the problem. Delete all the inbound rows.
Delete all of these.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to add a new rule. TCP custom. Now put the port 5432. IPv4. Now you're going to add another one. IPv6. And now save the rule. Okay, now let's go to the to the VS Code. Can you maximize the VS Code, please? Okay, now try to connect again here. Timeout expired. Did you set up that it's gonna be a public database?
I feel like I followed the video, but I'm not sure. How do I check that?
Hmm. Let me see. Give me a second. I will be presenting right now, but I need to enter to my account.
It should be like database student Josh, I think.
Mm-hmm. Okay, give me a second. Um, I will be presenting, okay?
Already.
Let's see. Okay. This is your database?
Uh, it, I thought mine was dash Josh.
Can you
Oh,
check
am
the
I?
region?
Oh, Ohio.
Ohio, okay. This one, right?
Yes.
Mm, you see public access is equal to no here. Let me see if we can modify this.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Okay, here. Public access here. Right now, let's
Hmm.
continue. Apply immediately. Oh, so um, you're going to. I'm gonna drop this, Tammy, and you created the database too in this region. It's better if everybody is using North Virginia.
Already.
Yeah. So, Josh, I think that you might need to repeat these steps. Okay.
I was feeling like I was gonna have to.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop this database right now.
Already.
Okay. Try to change the region. Leave it in um, North Virginia.
Yeah, already.
Delete me. Okay, and remember to activate that part that says, I mean, to enable um, the part of public access. Okay.
Alrighty.
Okay. Great.
How do I change my region? Do I need to?
You created this database in this region, United States, Ohio. The way to change it is that you need to click here, and that's gonna change the region. But this database right now is existing in a different region. So if you want to move it to another region, that's not possible. If you want to recreate it, you might need to delete this one.
Do I need to recreate it or can I just leave it where it is?
I prefer that everybody is going to have their database in this region, North Virginia.
Okay.
So sorry, but I think it will be a best idea if you recreate it here in this region, okay? So I can see
Okay.
all the students here. It's better because I'm gonna have a best control.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna drop that one. I think that right now is, I mean, we need to do a waiting time until this, uh, until the status is available. You might need to select here and the actions, you might need to select this action delete so you can remove this database from the account. Okay,
Okay.
great. So everybody, you are gaining experience right now creating databases. That's great. Okay, can you repeat please?
When I try to adjust the inbound rules, it says the specified rule from port to port already exists.
That's because you are modifying the default security, uh, the security group. That group is the same for everybody, so you don't need to. Can you present, please? Yeah, I see. I see the problem. Okay, the security group. I already modified the security group, so you don't need to modify it again. Oh my God. Can you cancel this? Cancel. Try to cancel the process.
Okay. Yeah, I was just trying to follow the video.
Yeah, I see. I see. And I think I need to update that part of the video because it's a common security group for everybody. If you select the default security group, you're going to, I mean, the modification that the first one has done, you don't need to reply that modification. So can you click cancel, please? Okay. Let's return to the database, to the, put in the search bar, um, RDS. Let's go to Aurora and RDS. Okay, what's your database? That
Apparently
one.
I don't know how to spell.
That one. Okay. Now let's go. Let's scroll down, please. Okay, continue scrolling, and you have several inbound rules. So my recommendation here, can you scroll a little bit to the top? Uh, Give me a second. Okay, I'm gonna present right now because I will try to modify your database right now. Okay, give me a second.
Okay.
Where do I leave the databases? They are here. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna re remove this one because it's in Ohio, right? You create it again, but in
Yeah, I fixed that.
yeah. Okay, so let me. Oh, it's not possible to remove it.
That's what I was running into too.
Maybe we need to take some time. Okay, now let's return to this region. Databases. This is your database. This is the security group. Okay, so I'm going to modify your database right now. And I will be checking this part. This is going to be dual stack. And the security groups. My recommendation right now, you can use Postgres. This is a security group that I have in my projects. And this is for everybody, guys. Can you please give me 5 minutes of your time? Everybody, let me know if you are paying attention right now.
I'm here.
Okay, Tammy, you're here. Joshua, Frey, Rayla.
I'm here.
Okay, when you create the database, the connectivity needs to be dual stack mode. And you should select the security group that is existing in my account that is called Postgres, okay? This is going to give you the access to the world, okay? You don't need to do any modification to this security group. This is the one that is going to allow you to open the database to the internet, okay? Now let's see if you have the public access. This is fine. But for some reason, I think this part cannot be modified. So let me click here, modify the database. Okay, now let's go to the security group again. Now you have this one that is called Postgres. Let's enter to the security group. And yeah, the inbound rule in this case, if we edit the inbound rules, you have access. Okay, so let's see. This is what you need to do. Okay, right now, Tammy, right now, what you need to do is that the next step is that you might need to create the connection in VS Code. Does this make sense?
Okay.
Yeah. You don't need to set up another thing with the security groups. Just select the one that is called Postgres, okay? And this is a good recommendation for everybody right now because that's a security group in my account that is going to help to open your database to the internet. So let's see, Joshua. This is your. I'm going to change your security group, Joshua. It doesn't matter for you, Joshua. Oh, let me see. I'm gonna modify that part for him. Okay, now. Yeah, the security group is gonna be this one, Postgres. And let me save it. Now, Frey, do you have your database created? Raylon, what's your database?
I'm in mine right now.
You're creating yours. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So when you're creating the database,
So then don't do it on default. Change it to the Postgres is what
it's
you're
better.
saying for the.
Yeah, my recommendation, change it to Postgres. Yeah.
Okay. I just
Okay.
wanted to make sure.
Okay, great. Now, Tammy, try to create the connection in VS Code, okay?
Okay, I'm trying to.
Okay. Can you present, please, so I can guide you?
Alrighty.
Okay, so here you have the connection, okay? So you're going to open the tree here. So you have 3 databases and you're going to use this one, Postgres. You have the schema public and here is an option where you can save the queries. So if you want, you can click here where it says queries. Yeah, and you're no the first. I mean here, this one, and you're going to click plus. You're going to put a name to the query. For example, it could be assignment number 2 or lab 2. I don't know.
Does it matter if it's capital?
Doesn't matter. Now press enter.
Oh, sorry, I can't see the screen share things in the way. Did it not? Oh, okay.
Okay, so start creating your first query here.
Oh, okay. And then I just put it in here.
Yeah, and as you see, the query is going to be saved here.
Very cool. Let's go over the notes. Or not the notes, the lab.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, great. Justine, I have been reading your message right now. Maybe I can help you if you present. Okay, let's see. The message that you are receiving is that the database is not existing. So my recommendation is that, do you see the field that is called database there? Can you leave it empty? Okay, now try to connect again. Great. Now you will see at the top left corner that you have a success connection there because it's color green. Now you can open the tree, and your default database is going to be that one that is called DB student. Okay, so open it. Now open the public schema that you have there, and you will see the section where that's called query. So there you might need to create a new query. Click the plus sign, and you might need to provide a name to this query. For example, lab 2. Now press enter. Now you can start doing queries here.